How to join FPL League with codes. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily join a private league on Fantasy Premier League with a join code. So in order to do that, you first have to simply go ahead and open up Premier League application. And then once you've done that, make sure that you are logged in. I'm already logged in here, so what I'm going to do is go back here, and then I'll just go to the Fantasy tab. Once you head over to the Fantasy tab down below, you can scroll down until you find this option called Join Leagues. Tap on it, and here on the private section, you are able to enter the code to join a league. What you can do also is go to the Configure Leagues option, wait for it to load, and then from here you can join a private league with a code. Tap on Join a League, tap on Join Invitational League and Cup, and enter the code here, and then the Join League button will light up. Tap on it and you should be able to join the league, just like so. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.